Alright folks, about to do the brakes on one of the unbreakable Rodeos. The ones before the RA, the TF. Got to back this out the shed so we can have the shed. And I figured, oh well, I'm sure those pages, those Charger pages would like these. Or Charger, Chrysler. I don't know, I'm trying to include everybody, but I'm still learning all about these myself. You know, before I get in, I just got to say, look how tidy this is. These were before the RAs, but I've got to say, fucking bulletproof. Bulletproof. You know, if I got offered one of these, I would not turn it down. You know, and I've got the 4JJ1 and the... Anyway, bro, can you do a solid and record me doing a cold start back out the shed? I reckon she could do some valve stem seals, but I want to do the upgrade so I don't have to keep putting valve saver fluid in it. But yeah, here you go, dude. You're allowed to talk and stuff too.
Ah.
dirty fuel lines. I keep recording. Thanks, Rob. So this does happen. So the video is going to be longer than expected, but that's all right. So the fuel lines do. Whoever put the fuel tank in did not clean it first. So what I'm going to do is take the fuel cap off. I'm going to run a compressed air line down. I'm going to back blow the fuel lines. And that should be fine. This is an issue. This is why I don't go anywhere with this car at the moment. I've got to drop the tank out and do what should have been done prior to being installed. So anyway, let's get. If you hit pause, well, I think I got it. Definitely heard the blockage clear at the back of the tank there. Yeah. So I got to just put that fuel cap back on. Before I start this, let's look at some of the stickers. I'll put the light on. Don't know if this means anything to you guys. What else is there? There's that sticker. Important. Yeah. And you got this one here. Sorry guys, friggin' bee landed on me. Yeah. What else? Oh yeah, it's 265. And those are extractors. They're recent. They are a recent thing. Dad always wanted them, so he's no longer with us, so definitely put those on here, eh? See if she'll go, eh? Hope I don't drop that phone. It's running good now. See, it was just that fuel blockage. I'm going to clean it. And obviously fix up the paintwork. And this is I'll tell you what this is. That's a wheel brace, and that was the other end of the wheel brace. Dad had a pretty dirty ex-wife who was actually living at the house while he was away working. So I'll fix that. I'll get that memory out of the car, and just got to fix up these. It's pretty overall nice car though. Yeah, they're cool, eh? That's not what the car came with, I know. Dad loved them. And the other one's in the boot. I'll turn them on. I think that's low beam. It's got the LED for the parker, so they look pretty good too. Better at night, but yeah. Idle's pretty good though. Pretty spiffy. And you know, I'm still learning about these cars, so if I upload something, I'm not pretending to know what I'm doing. I'm just, you know, putting it out there. Maybe somebody can go, no, Gav, this. Oh, glad you told me. Anyway, I look forward to many good years with this car. Thanks for watching.